Okay, here is a fairy garden I've been working on. I cleaned everything out and started fresh, except the green potho there in the middle. That is a live plant. And there is one of the Dollar Tree's white Christmas trees, which I put in there, and I folded each branch in half to make it fit in there. So this is my little wheelbarrow. And then there's just some little plants that I got from the Dollar Tree. And the only thing I think I did not get from Dollar Tree is Santa. I don't think I got him from Dollar Tree. And my little lamp is crooked. Yes, if you breathe too hard, some of the things will fall over. But there is one of the Dollar Tree's trees, the little raccoon, and the famous red truck and camper. And what I used for the snow is just a little white towel that I ripped up and put in there. I didn't want to add white rocks and things because it's hard to get out. And also there's a live plant in there, so I didn't want to cover it up completely, just so I could water it. And then I move on, and there is Santa and the tree, and here is the big tree. I don't know if I should decorate it. Let me know what you think. And then here are Mr. and Mrs. Cutie Patootie, the pastors of the church. They are singing their carols there for us. It's not coming very clearly, sorry. And yeah, just a little wooden pathway, and there you have that. Then I'm working on another one, a completely different style, and I'll show you that. Okay, so here is one in my glass kind of aquarium, and it's completely different than that one. That one's kind of a more realistic, kind of, and then this one is more of a, like a little, I don't know, fun. So we have our two deers at each end. Here is Santa with the mailbox. I don't know if you can see him, but I can't even reach. I got this one at a thrift store, and I just thought he was so adorable. I had to put him in. And there's Santa under the table with a little rocking horse. It's not a rocking horse. What do you call that? A merry-go-round horse. And then Santa had to stop to play some soccer. So he's in there playing some soccer. And there's another mailbox for this deer. And then I just wrapped some like of those beads around just to zhuzh it up. So there's our fun little fairy gardens. Sorry for the shoddy camera work, but there it is. I hope you like it.